How to reset forgotten password on Cryptoguru. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to reset your forgotten password on Cryptoguru, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Cryptoguru application on your device and keep pressing on continue until you see the start button. Now tap on start as well. Now once you're inside the lobby page, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top left and then tap on sign in. In the sign in page, just go ahead and tap on forgot password. And on the next page, write down your registered email for Cryptoguru. Now click on reset password from the bottom. You'll receive a verification code sent to you on your email. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox and click open the email that you received. Go ahead and copy the code. Get back to Cryptoguru app and paste in the code. Click continue and on the next page, enter the new password you want to reset to. Finally, click on the continue button at the bottom and then you have reset your password. Next time while logging in, make sure to enter your details correct and then make sure to enter the newly updated password in the password field and tap on sign in from the bottom. And there you have it. You've signed in with your newly updated password. That way you can get access to your account even if you've forgotten your password. All you need is a quick reset and you'll be good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.